Hello, guys. Good morning. Good morning, Anna, Jahuan, Anushka, Anna, Ezekiel. Everyone, turn on the camera.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. A very good morning. Very good morning. Very good morning. Yes. So today what? Shall we start trigonometry?
Actually,
Good
sir,
morning.
I have
Yeah.
I have a lot of doubts in the check your progress because the
Mm-hmm.
example questions are like completely different compared to the
Mm-hmm.
check your progress.
Okay.
So could we have like a doubt class maybe next class?
Okay. Then Monday we'll start trigonometry. Okay. Then tell me your doubts.
Um, those questions that you did the other day, I think it was
Mm.
Wednesday, I wasn't able to get one of it.
Yeah. Which one?
The check your progress 8.2, it's the ninth one.
Ezekiel, you did the homework every question.
Hmm. So I was doing it, but I had to do I had to revise the square root and cube root chapter again. So I got
Okay.
some time in doing that.
The check your progress what?
8.2, sir.
8.2, question number 9. Okay, rise. ठीक है. How I will make it easy though? Without getting that way, but I can make it too easy for you. Okay, the easy thing. Okay, might be different, will be different. Okay, everyone turn on camera, please. Okay. See, a rise in 25% in the price of a sugar compels a person to buy 1.5 kg of sugar less. Okay. So we'll do it in this way now. I think this is the easiest way. See, um, there is a rise in the price of a sugar. So let the original price of sugar be X. Yeah. Now increase price So first of all, increase percentage. How much the rate increases? How much rate increases? 25% is okay of the original price. Yes or no, Hannah? Okay. So now increase price. What is the increase price? The increased price is 25% means upon 100 of his X. So it means that 25x by 100 is the increased price. Okay. Now, new price of a sugar. New price of sugar is be x plus 25x upon 100. Like for example, if 25 rupees is increased on a product, then the new price will become 125. Na? Understood? So that's why I added. So it will become 100x plus 25x upon 100. Now the new price will become 120x by 100. It means it will become 125x by 100. Understood? No, you didn't understand. Yeah. Now how much less sugar she bought? She bought 1.5 kg. No? So 1.5 kg less sugar, less sugar she bought because of increased price, which is 1.25x. Now this is increased price, no? Yeah. So because of the increased price, which is 1.25 times the original price, she bought 1.5 kg less. Okay. Yes or no? Okay. For rupees 240. So 1.5 into 1.25x is equals to 240. Now, when you will multiply it, what will you get? Let me check. One point five multiplied by 1.25, which will become 1.875. 1.875 x equals to 240. X equals to 240 by 1.875. Now, when will you solve it? What will you get? You will get the value of x. Yeah. Which will be become 128 approx. Okay. Which will become how much? X gonna be 128 kg rupees per kg. So this was the original price.
So,
Okay. Yeah.
can you just repeat the part like after new price of sugar, the line after that? Can you explain that?
This one.
Yeah.
See, because of the increased price. Now, what is the increased price? Is 1.25 times x. Okay. 1.25 times x. This is the new increased price. No?
Okay.
Okay. Now, because of this, she bought 1.5 kg less sugar. How much less sugar? 1.5 kg less sugar for 240. So 1.5 into the price is equals to 240. Like
Okay.
1.5 kg sugar into the new price is 240. When I solved it, I got the value of it.
Okay.
Now, what is the new price? This is the original price. You have to multiply it by 1.25. You will get the new price.
So,
Yeah.
when we did this question earlier, you had given us a different answer.
Yeah, I know. I know. There is some calculation mistake which I did.
Okay.
And that is a bit complicated also because I use Marwari method here. Like Marwari method, like 100 rupees, 50 kg. Then 2 rupees, how much kg? Like this, like this. So this is the easiest way I guess. So you just go through with this process. Okay, Anna, now you understood? Okay. Now tell me no new doubts.
1 second, sir.
Ezekiel, Jehovan, you understood?
Yes.
Okay. So this Friday, like not this Friday, today is Friday, but next Friday you will have test of chapter light in science and in maths. In maths, which chapter? In maths, this chapter till check your progress 8.1. Okay. Okay, Ezekiel. And you didn't submit me the AP also, guys. I only Hannah sent it to you. Okay. Yeah. Next up.
It's the 13th question in the same check your progress 8.2 stuff.
Yeah, this is equals to that ABC,
Sorry, sir, not the 13th one, the 12th one, sir.
Very good.
I got confused, like, because towards the end, I kind of got the wrong answer, I think, somewhere in between. So
Okay, what's the question? What is given? Okay. If 30,000 students appear in a contest, 40% were them girls and then 60% boys. If 10% boys and won the contest, find the percentage of students who won the prizes. Okay. So if 30% of students appear in contest, 30,000%. So like the participation, uh, like number of participation of boys. So what is the number of participation of boys? Basically, 60% are the boys out of 30,000. So first of all, 60% of 30,000, which will become 60 upon 100, of which multiply 30,000 will be like this. This zero and this zero will cut. So it will become 60 into 300. It will become 18,000 are boys. Okay. Yes or no? Ezekiel? Everyone understood better? Huh? In the same way, now Ezekiel, tell me how will you find the participation of girls? Ezekiel, unmute your mic and say, how will you find the participation in girls?
We'll find 40% of 30,000 and we'll subtract
Yes.
that from 30,000.
Sorry?
And we'll subtract that from the whole. So we'll know the number of boys.
No, boys we got, no? Boys is basically we did 60% because if 40% is girl, then 60% is boys.
So we'll do 30,000 minus 18,000.
We can do that thing also, or we can do the 40% of, because 40% is said as girls, no? So when we are finding girls, so it becomes 40% of 30,000. Yes or no? No, you didn't listen.
It's
Ezekiel, did you understand? So it means that the total boys are 18,000 and total girls are 12,000. Okay. Now, if 10% of boys and 12% of girls want the prize, so it means that out of 18,000 boys, 10% boys want the prize. So it means that boys winning, number of boys winning, like number of boys winning, which will become 10% of 18,000, which will become 10 upon 100 into 18,000. Now this 0 and this 0 will cut. That means 10 into 180. It means that 1,800 boys won. Yes or no? No, you don't understand it. Guys? Okay. Then in the same way, number of girls want, which will become 12% of their total incoming, which will become 12 upon 100 into 12,000. This 0 and this 0 will cut. It becomes 12 into 120, which will become 1440. So it means that total these girls want. Understood, guys? No, you didn't know something. Anna? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, yeah.
Okay, so the last equation, what was that?
Last equation is number of girls won. So it's given 12% of the won, no? 12% girls won, no? So 12% of their attendance, which is 12,000. 12% of 12,000 is the winning percentage of winning number of girls, no? So
Okay.
12 of means multiply, then I just solved it. So now total
it's
winning,
it's
yeah.
12% of just the girls, not of the
Of
girls.
just the girls, no? Yeah. Of just the
Okay.
girls, because 12% girls won, no? That's right.
Okay.
The total winning, which will become 18,000 plus 1140, which will become how much? 0, 4, not 18,000, 1800. Even 0, 4, 2, 3. So it means that total winning is 3240. Okay. Now winning percentage you have to find. So winning percentage will be 3240 out of 30,000 I'm taking. Because total number of students is 13,000. Yes or no? Out of 13,000 into 100, you can do this. Now, it becomes 10 and it will become 3 1s are 3, 3 0 then 8. That will become 108 by 10 percentage. It means it becomes 10.8 percentage is the total winning percentage of the students. Everyone understood? No. Ezekiel didn't understand thing.
I understood, sir.
So Hovan, you understood better? Anna? Anushka, Anna, quickly turn on your camera, please. Yeah. Write it down and tell me the next doubt. Yes, Anna. Next doubt. You tell me and write it down also.
One
Anna?
second, I'm
Yeah.
taking a screenshot.
Ezekiel, do your homework, huh? I'm not checking it, but be faithful to yourself, okay? Nowadays, you're not paying attention on your studies, as I am thinking from Jodhpur, right? Nowadays, you're a bit distracted, I guess. Anna, see, I can read your face.
Yeah,
Because
right.
I'm not getting doubts from your side.
Yeah.
Are you doing your homework regularly?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm trying to
Yeah.
anyway. Like in the 8.6, I was having a bit like we have to do it to the power of the nth term, right? So I have to do the square root and cube root and exponent chapter once more. So that was why
Yeah.
I'm a bit late.
I didn't discuss in the class because it's not coming. That's the problem with the NIOS. See, they reduces the course, but the chapters which are coming, it's related to that chapter which are not coming. That's a big trouble for us. I have to find solution for it. Yes, Anna.
So the check your progress, 8.3, the third question, fourth question, fifth question, and sixth question.
My God. Third question, fourth question, fifth question, and sixth question. Vendor buys a lemon at the rate of 5 or rupees 7 and sells them at 1.75. So first of all, we have to find the cost price. So the cost price for 5 lemon is rupees 7. So what is the cost price of 1 lemon? It should become 7 by 5. Okay. If you want to find the cost of 1 lemon, will become 7 by 5. Okay. When you will divide it, how much it will become? 7 divided by 5, it will become 1.4. 1.4. So it means that he is buying 1 lemon for 1.4. Now, how much? What is the CSP? Selling price is 1.75. So simple. We have to find profit, which is SP minus CP, which will become 1.75 minus 1.4. And when you will subtract it, you will get the profit. Then you find profit percentage with the help of formula. Understood, Anna? Is it simple? Where you got stuck here?
I think the way the question is asked, I get confused in how to solve it most of the time.
Okay. So your weakness is in word problem. Every time you
Yes.
stuck in the word problem. Equation solving. Sorry, we did it. We understood it. But your weakness is word problem. Like in every chapter, I assume that even in quadratic equation or linear equation or that equation, right? Your weakness is equation form is word problem. Yeah. Can I raise this? Now you understood, na?
Yes, sir.
Shall I raise this now? Devan, I'm not getting doubts from your side, beta. Are you doing it or not? Devan,
Yes, sir, I am doing that.
please ask me doubt, no? Like Anna asking, no? Yes, this chapter is a bit difficult. Okay. Now understood it like this. A man uh, purchases two oranges for rupees 5. So what is the cost price? Cost price of orange. Cost price of two orange is rupees 5. Then cost price of one orange will become 5 by 2, which is rupees 2.5. So it means that he buys one oranges for 2.5. Okay. Now what is the selling price? What is the selling price? Selling price is rupees. So selling price for three oranges is rupees 8. Now one orange will become 8 by 3. Now we have to subtract it. It will become 2.67. So it means that he is selling for 2.67 rupees. He is buying for 2.1, 2.5 for 1 orange. That's it. Okay. Understood? Now in this process, he is gaining 20 rupees. If he gains 20 rupees. So right now, for the profit of one orange, profit of one orange is equals to 2.67 minus 2.5, which will become 0. How much? 0.13, I guess. Yes. Can you subtract it for me? Is it correct? Zero point 0.16. Yeah. 0.16. Yeah. Or we can do this thing also. So that will become easy for us. 2.5 minus 8 by 2. 5 by 2 minus 8 by 3. Which will become 15 minus 4. 8 by 3 minus 5 by to 16 minus 15 upon 6. So it means that he is getting 1.6 as a well, 1 upon 6 as a profit for one orange. Now profit for 20 orange will become 1 by 6 into 20. No, sorry. Now he is getting one orange for 1 by 6 as a profit. Now he wants a gain of 20. Okay, so 1 by 6 rupees for one orange as a gain. Okay, now 20 oranges. So it will become 20 by 1 by 6 for one oranges. So it will become, this will go up and it will become 20 into 6 for one orange. It means that 120 oranges. So when he will buy 120 oranges, then he will get a profit of 20 rupees. Okay, understood, guys? Next question. By selling a bicycle for 2024 rupees, the shopkeeper loses 12%. If you want to make 12 gain, what is the selling price? Okay, understood? Shall I read this?
No,
Now, next question.
hold on. Okay.
Okay, by selling a bicycle for 2024, the shopkeeper loses 12%. Okay, if we want to make a 12% gain, then what is the selling price? So first of all, we don't know the cost price. What is the cost price? We don't know. So what is given? It is given that the selling price is 2024, and when he has selling price 2024, he has a loss of 12%. So we don't know the value of CP, which is the cost price. So can we know the value of cost price? The cost price formula is, anybody? Ezekiel will tell me. Ezekiel, what is the formula for the cost price?
1 second.
Do not see from the notes. You should remember this.
Okay. I think I'll have to go back to that because I did not do that for some time. I was trying the other thing. I haven't written down though. I can tell you from that.
Okay, let's give Jahoan chance. Jahoan, what is the formula for the cost price? If SP and loss is given.
So,
Yeah.
okay, already wrote it down.
Okay. So now we have to put the value of SP into this to get the value, which will become 100, 100 minus 12 into SP, which is 2024. The CP will become 100 upon 88 into 2024. Is it divisible by 11? No, it will become 8. 8 is a 16. 8. 8 to the 16. What will left? Then it will become 42. 42. 8, 5 plus 40. Then again 2. Then it will become 3. 11. It will become 100 into 253 upon 11. This is divided by 11 also. 11 is 22. 22 and it will become 23. So it means that the cost price is 2300. This is the cost price of the bicycle. Yeah. Now we want to find an SP because cost price is given. Cost price means the bicycle bought. Okay. So the cost price is same as rupees 2300. We have to find the value of SP. Why? Because I need now profit of how much? How much? How much? 12 percentage. So how much? Now I will use the formula for the SP. SP is equals to 100 plus profit percentage upon 100 into P. Now I just put the value into this 100 plus 12 upon 100 into 2300. This and this will cut. That will become 1112 into 23. Then we will multiply it. You will get the value of SP. Understood? Anna, Jehovah, Anushka, everyone. This is very easy question. It is not for difficult. Anna, why you can't do this easy question?
So I just get really like freaked out. I was able to do like think till the cost price you got 2,300. I was able to do till that. And then I got freaked out and I got confused with the rest of it.
Okay. So I'll give you one suggestion. Okay. If you will copy and paste the answer in Google, you will get the answer also. So whenever you are doing it, right now, what I am telling it to you, don't copy from Google. But when you are doing it and you confuse in the mid of the question, then you can Google it also. So what will happen? That what you did, you got it. Okay. Now what is the missing part? You can check it from Google also. So and so that it's you will get it. Sometimes the one click we are missing, just missing the mark just for a one click. When we get the one click, we will got the whole question. Okay, so that for that one click you can check on Google also. It's gonna be helpful also. Otherwise, I am there always for you.
Yes.
I mean, till October for you. Okay. So yeah, shall I raise this? Anushka, you understood better?
Yes, sir.
है ना? समझ गए ना? है ना?
Yes, sir.
No, I'm saying है ना.
Yes, sir.
Jehovah, Ezekiel, you guys got it, boys.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Good boy. Good, very good. Yeah. Shall I raise this? Okay, next question you guys will do. Let me check what you can do. Do this question. Ezekiel, do this. Just do it.
Sir,
Hmm.
I'm not getting how to form the equation.
How to form equation?
So I get confused with the part where if it's in the division form, should we like make it into the decimal or something like that?
Okay. Let me check. 14 times 16. Mm. Okay, so we can do like this. But she having a loss, no? So we don't know the cost price. So let the cost price of 45 oranges be X. Okay. Or you can do that thing also. What will do like this? So now loss is equals to we can say loss percentage is equals to loss minus SP, no, loss upon CP into 100. Now loss formula is, what is loss formula? Loss formula is CP minus SP upon CP into 100, and the loss is how much? 20%. So 20 is equals to CP, which is X, minus SP, which is 160, upon CP, which is X, into 100. Understood, guys? No. Yes or no? Guys, did you understand? So now, this when you will solve this, you will get the value of X. Can you solve this and tell me the value of X? So it means that I got 200 rupees as a cost price for 45 orange. Now I have to find the cost price for the one orange. So the CP for one orange means the cost price for 45 oranges rupees 200. But the cost price for one orange will be 200 by 45. When you will solve it, you will get as 40 by 9. So it means that 45 by 9 is the cost price of 1 orange. Yes.
So is it 40
Cost
or
price.
45?
Sorry.
Is it 40 or 45?
But I mean 40. Sorry. 40 by 9 is the cost price of 1 orange. Now, this is the she sell for 1112 to get a gain of 20%. Now
Okay,
we don't know. Sorry.
nothing.
Now we don't know how much oranges she bought. She sell. So let she sell it for y. Let the number of oranges she sell is y. So let the number of oranges sell be y. Like y numbers, we don't know. It's not given, no? How many oranges are there? So now she get profit, but it is said that she get a profit of 20%, no? So we'll write the profit percentage formula, which is profit into 100 upon what? Upon CP. Okay. Yes or no? So profit percentage, you have to put the value of profit percentage, which will become minus 50 on 2.1 yeah. Now we have to solve this. See, we don't know. See, we don't know how much she like what is the number of oranges. But it is given that she sell for 1112. So the number of oranges she sell is for 1112. Okay. But when she sell for 1112, she get a gain of 20%. So we know that profit percentage is equal to profit upon CP into 100. So profit can be written as SP minus CP. Now this is the cost price of one oranges, which is 40 by 9. But we don't know the how many oranges she bought and sell so that she get a gain of 20%. So let the number of oranges sell be y. So the cost price of the total oranges will become 40 by 9 y. So wherever the CP is given, I just wrote 40 by 9 y. Here also I wrote 40 by 9 y. And then when you will solve it, you will get the answer as the number of oranges she bought. Understood, everyone? No. Ezekiel didn't understand anything? Ask me better.
I understood, sir.
Pakka?
Uh,
Okay. Jahuan, did you understand better? No?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you have any doubt, just write down the doubts in the group, and then if possible, we'll do a new next doubt class. Then you will understand more. Okay. So Anna, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Anushka, did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now then we will end this class. I hope you enjoyed the class. And then bye. Have a nice day. Signing off for
Bye,
Anna and
sir.
Anushka. And you
Thank
guys
you.
have 3 minutes. Come back and Okay, come back, guys. Quickly come back. Turn on your camera. Yeah. So, Ezekiel, turn on your camera, please. Yeah. So, we were doing some lens image formation. Yeah, we learn about lens. There are three. No, we learn about the rules for the formation of image, which are the three that align, which is parallel to the principal axis. We'll go through the focused one. And the second was what? If it's going through focus, it will become parallel to principal axis. And the third rule was if it is from optical center, then it will go in a straight line. These three rules will form. Today we will form an image. So the topic will be image formation in convex lens. Image formation in convex lens. What is the image formation in convex lens? Okay. So now we will learn about, like, for example, which image like we learn in the concave mirror, na? We learn in the concave mirror, na? In the same way we will learn in a convex lens. So first, when image is at infinity, when object is placed at infinity. So first of all, which lens is this? Can you tell me? Can you tell me which lens is this? Anybody?
Convex.
Convex lens. Yeah. Now, a line passing through convex lens is called as principal axis. Okay. Now, this is F1, this is 2F1, and this is F2, and this is 2. Now, remember one thing, guys, that the difference between these will be the same. As I told you before also, so when you're drawing this, when you're making this, you can make this thing with your hand, okay? But the line should be straight. And the difference between F1 and O. Jehovan, are you paying attention? Okay. The difference between the F1 and O and 2F1 and F1, F2 and 2F2, they should be same. Like this, I made wrong. Like the distance is not same. So I will make like the pair. It should be the same. Okay, Ezekiel? Okay. Now, what is the first? If the object is infinity, it means that the light will come in a straight line. Yes, Ezekiel? The line will be straight. Hmm? So if line is straight, then it will gonna be parallel to the principal axis like this. Yeah. If it is parallel to the principal axis, then Ezekiel will tell me. Ezekiel, where it will go?
F1,
Which F1? Oh, I wrote something wrong.
the one on the other.
F1 or F2?
F2, F2.
Yeah, very good. And where will the image will form then? Where will the image form, Ezekiel?
Two less.
If the object is at infinity, so the image will form where the two reflected, means the two red lines meet, where the two red lines are meeting.
At F2.
Yes, the image will form at. Understood, Ezekiel, beta? Yeah. Now, what is the size? What is the size? It's point size. Point size. And what is the nature of the image? What is the nature of the image? It's uh, real and inverted. real and inverted. Understood, Ezekiel? No?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Shall I raise this, guys? Tell me when you're done, Ezekiel. I'm waiting for you.
1 second, sir.
Yeah. Jehovan, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. Now, next diagram, you will help me, Jehovan. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
In this lens formation, it's very easy. Why? Only two lines will go every time from parallel to the principal axis, and the second line will go to the optical center. Simple. Okay. Now, next case, Jehovan will help me. Okay. Now, next case is when object is placed at infinity. No, beyond C. Infinity we did. Now, I will put an object at not at beyond. So what is mean by beyond 2f1? Like if I will place an object here. Okay. So what will be done? I told you two cases only. First case is when a line is parallel to the principal axis. Then it will go through F2. Yes. And the second one is when it is going through optical center. So it will go through like this. So where the image the listen guys, the image meet here. So it means that we have to calculate the distance from the optical center. From the principal axis. So it's gonna be like this. Guys, you're not listening, guys. Okay. So if image is at image beyond C, the image will form. Anybody, please tell me. Between F2 and 2F2, the size is diminished, not font size, it's diminished. And it says real inverted study. Understood, guys?
Sir,
Yes?
these lens rules and the mirror rules are different, right?
Yes.
Okay.
It's like real and inverted if it is on the opposite side. If it is on the same side, then it will become virtual inverted. In mirror, it's opposite. If it is on the same side, it's real inverted. If it is behind the mirror, it will become a virtual inverted.
Okay.
Understood, everyone? Hannah? Okay, quickly tell me when you're done. Then shall I raise this? Okay. Now Hannah will assist you. Okay, Hannah. Now where will you put an object, Hannah? At 2. Now Hannah, tell me. I will put an object at 2f1. So this is 2f1. Okay. So now first line is,
Parallel to the principal axis.
then it will go through.
F2.
Very good. And the second line is
Yeah.
go through optical center, then
I will continue in straight line.
like this. So where the image falls? At 2f. Okay, the image will be at 2f. Understood, guys? It is same. It's bit same. Like when we put an image at C, the image is at C. In the same way, if it is at 2f1, the image is at 2f1. Understood? No, you didn't understand it. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
we are having a test on this chapter, right?
Yes, we have chapter of this chapter.
Okay, sir.
So, you said you will
Yes.
be having a test on this chapter on Friday.
Yes.
So this chapter has barely we barely understood the chapter. Can you take it to the next page?
Why?
There's still so much of the chapter left.
Yeah, we'll not do the whole chapter. We'll do the mid chapter, like till I guess lens formation.
Okay. I didn't understand what you said about math because my internet was fluctuating.
Math was or that chapter number 8, percentage and its application, but not fully. Like till I guess CYP check your progress 8.2 or 8.3 in there.
Okay.
So like both the chapters is half of chapters we are taking test on this slide. Like next slide. So be prepared. Okay. Now next, shall I raise this?
So
Okay, quickly write it down. Jehovan, you did it better? Okay. Tell me when you're done, okay? Okay, Ezekiel done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next diagram, I will not make it, you guys will make it, okay? So now next, where will you put it? Anybody has any idea? Want to say something? Please unmute your mic and say. You will say between 2f and f. So now you have to draw it and tell me where the image will fall. Same thing, a line parallel to the principal axis will go through focus, and if it is going to optical center, it will remain same. Same thing. Okay, understood, guys? Yes or no? Ezekiel, Jahoan, did you understand, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, quickly do it. And tell me where the image will fall. Is it the same diagram you got it? Ezekiel, Jahoan, Hannah?
So mine came between F2 and 2F2.
How it can be possible?
I don't know, sir.
Did you make perfect measurement? No. Then you come. Jahoan, you got the same answer?
Yes, I got the answer. Except it's
Very
not pretty
good.
sure about the size.
Okay, size, no? Size. If you're making with the proper pencil, ruler, and scale and everything, then you will get the perfect size also. Done? Physical done?
1 minute, sir. Done, sir.
Okay. Now, next case. The next case is when object is placed at F1. So now you guys make it quickly.
So now, even with the proper measurements, it is coming between F2 and 2F2.
How it can. Show me. Just give me a second. Hello? Little left. What you did? Some make little object big, then it might solve your problem, but it shouldn't be there. Check it.
So,
Yeah.
okay, nothing. On top, I have written add 2F1.
Oh, sorry. I'll add that.
So now it's on to
Yeah.
F2.
Where?
It's on to F2. Like it's just below it.
So on 2F2. Yeah, you can adjust it with little, or what you can do. You can just erase the 2F2 part and F1 plus just put little inside that it will come beyond 2F2. But it won't become, if I will tell you, no, it shouldn't come.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll do one thing. The last case we will do tomorrow. I mean, not tomorrow, on Monday. Okay, and then we will complete the lens part by Monday only. I think we'll complete the chapter by Monday. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Tata. Bye bye. Bye. Sayonara.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.